Did you know the game that created an entire genre was called The Most Boring Concept Ever Pitched? In 1985, Will Wright was building something strange in his garage. For 2 years, he worked alone on SimCity, inspired by his love of city planning and architecture books. But when he tried to sell it, every major game company said no. Publishers laughed at him. Simulation games don't sell, they said. Where do you win? Where do you lose? Electronic Arts executives called it the most boring game idea they'd ever heard. Wright didn't give up. He believed games could teach people, not just entertain them. Then something magical happened. The president of Broderbund sat down to try SimCity and couldn't stop playing. 6 hours later, he finally understood what Wright had created. When SimCity launched in 1989, it shocked everyone by selling over 300,000 copies in year one. Wright had invented the simulation genre and proved that the best games often come from ideas everyone rejects first.